Hi guys, it's Chloe, and sorry I'm talking like that. Hi guys, it's Chloe. I think you guys know this lovely video, the lovely. Well, I think I don't remember. I'm wearing my medal. I think the concert has one, and someone saw this medal on me. And guys, because you didn't see my actual medal on me, because I was standing in the yesterday. Look at it, the picture on it. You didn't see the picture because I was like swinging it around. It's like I got it from a Escarvagio tropical country yesterday. And I was doing, I won the hula hooping. Guys, I'm outside in my tent. Look, it's really cloudy. Mommy. Look, I'm outside. Sorry guys. I'm actually outside. Look, it's really cloudy. I'm outside in my tent. So cloudy. Oh my god, it's so cloudy. Rainy. Look. It's really stormy. So I better take my blankie in. It's not covered in stuff yet. So good. But now it's even stormier, so I better get in my tent. Maybe actually I'm going to take my medal off, guys, and show you. This is the best medal I've ever got in my life. And it's real. It's the champion medal I got for hula hooping. Those other people got them for different challenges, but I got the most impressive and bad ever. So when I won the medal, I got a brand new tent. So I am in it. And it's the same one. But it's just like different. And it has a flag, but I can't show you guys. I'm gonna put all my stuff here. Because I'm camping again. I want an extra pillow in case any people come over to camp with me. My friends might do a video with me later if it's not raining, because it's really cloudy and rainy here. I need to close my doors more. Okay, that's as much as they will close, guys. Do you think that's good? Yeah, it's good, isn't it? So I'm gonna lean back. Now you can see me. I wonder what this picture is gonna be when the video is posted of the video where you watch it. And this video is gonna be cause 2 calling videos. And I'm gonna call it either camping out or camping in the rain. I think I'm gonna call it camping in the rain because it's really rainy, guys. Oh my god, look at the cloud. That's through the window, guys. Can you see that? Oh my god. So this is kind of easy for me. It's really like soft, the ground is, so I'm easy. And I'm in the grass anyway. Oh, sorry, this is my vest. Guys, I'm in my pajamas. Oh. So guys, comment down. Okay, no comment down below, because this is not a comment down below video, isn't it, now, guys? So, this is going to go on the outside, and this is going to be my blankie. Ow. In case anyone tries to get there. So, guys, let's show you my teeth. Really wiggly. And guys, comment down below. Oh, I forgot! That's another comment down below video. Oh wait, actually, one comment down below. How do you pause video when you are recording? I have to do magic tricks on the video. Do you know that? So guys, comment down below how you do that. Please. Please! Oh, please, I'll give you 2 extra squishies. Or anything. If you're a boy or a girl, you comment down below what I want to get you. If you want to get me. And guys, I'm going to sing a song. Me and Lacey, or whoever comes to visit me, if they do visit me, they're going to make a song with me. And you guys are going to be seeing it probably in 3 hours or something. No. Because my friend isn't even here yet. But maybe she is. Maybe she isn't. Guys, if you want me to do something, then do it! Do it, Freddy! Do it! So, what should we do? I'm so coming video. I love you guys. Please do loads and loads of thumbs up if you can. Because my man said I need to have loads of comments down below, or it's going to get you to post your squishies or anything, whatever you want. So guys, please do not do a thumbs down. Do not do a thumbs down. Let's get the door. Let's go at the door. No. Yeah, because it's stormy. That's weird. I'm on video. I'm gonna die. Oh yeah, I am. Guys, sorry I was staring at the ground again. Mommy, I was staring at the ground again. Yeah. I was in a daydream. Did you guys see that on Lovely? Probably not. I said I have no viewers. I don't know. If guys. Quack, quack. Do I look like a ducky when he's doing this? Quack. Comment down below in the video. Oh, I'm sitting on my medal. I'm on my medal. From red to white, from red to red, from white to white, from red to no, nothing. Oh, I actually fell here. Like guys, will I stand up? Oh, my hair. I'll stand up. Oh my god, I have to put my hand down. Oh my god! Is this my side? Or is this my side? Comment down below. Alright, I'm good. Now guys. Hi. I'm gonna do some magic from the back garden into the house. Okay. Need to stand up for a minute. Magic! I'm in the house, guys. I'm in there, my slime lab. I'm at my slime lab now. My new watch. I got it 2 days ago. I had it. Come on, let's go back in. Let's go back out, guys. Come on, quick. That's my magic done. Woo, we're back in the tent. Woo. Don't see my pen. Because I fell out the tent. Bye, guys.